Come to a seat on your mat. Sit up nice and tall, hands on your knees, palms down or palms up, and begin to connect to your breath. Deepen your inhale, lengthen your exhale. Make a commitment to be present on your mat as thoughts from your to-do list come to your mind, just gently setting it aside for now, coming back to your breathing. Bring your hands to your heart center. Big breath in through your nose, and sigh it out through your mouth. Hands lift over your head, palms touch, look up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, bring your right hand down, extend through your left arm so much you start to tilt over, keeping that heart space open. Inhale, both arms lift. Exhale, opposite hand comes down, stretch through your right arm. No contest to see how far you can go. Just stretch till you start to feel it. That's right where you need to be. Then on your inhale, both hands lift. Exhale, opposite hand comes down. Let's flow side to side. So inhale through center. Exhale to the other side. Nice. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, opposite hand down and stretch. Inhale through center. Exhale and stretch. Inhale and lift. Exhale. This time we'll find a twist. So bring your left hand over to your right knee, your opposite hand behind you. We inhale to find length and exhale to twist a little bit deeper. Keep breathing. And then take that back hand, lift it over your head, big breath in. Exhale to the opposite knee, head and chest fall forward. And just sway from side to side. Or if you need to linger anywhere where you need a little extra stretch, then go ahead and linger. Hands come to your thighs, roll up one vertebrae at a time. And then switch the cross of your legs so the opposite leg comes in front. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, twisting the other way now. Right hand to your left knee, opposite hand behind you. Inhale for length. Exhale, twist deeper. Still connecting to your breath. And then take that back hand, lift it over your head. Inhale, exhale to the opposite knee. Head and chest come forward. Sway from side to side. Feels good. And then when you're ready, come back to center, hands on your thighs, roll up one vertebrae at a time. When you get there, arms keep going. Inhale, exhale, hands to heart. Now we're going to move to our hands and knees, and we'll shift back for a traditional child's pose. So for this one, bring your arms along your sides. Just let your forehead hang to the mat. Take a few big, deep breaths up and down your spine. And bring your hands to your sides. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. And then from here, bring your right foot forward for a kneeling crescent lunge. Hands lift up over your head. Interlace all but your pointer. Mini back bend if it feels okay. Lifting through your heart. Inhale. And then on your exhale, straighten your front leg. Point the toes up to the ceiling so that front foot is flexed. Hands come to either side of your foot. If you have yoga blocks, you can use those if you need to bring the earth up a little higher, or any other prop you can find at your house. Breathe into the back of the leg and then bring it back. We'll do the other side. Left foot comes forward. Press into that front foot to lift your arms. Interlace all but your pointer. Maybe finding that mini back bend here. Keep shining your heart forward. Bring that right hip forward. Inhale here. And on your exhale, straighten your front leg. Point the toes up. Hands come to either side of the foot. You can use a prop here again if you need. Just breathe into the back of the leg. Keep breathing. And then setting your props to the side if you use them. Come back to tabletop pose. So your hips are over your knees, shoulders over wrists, moving into cat-cow. Let your belly drop, lift your gaze, breathe in. Exhale, round through your back, chin to chest. Inhale, let your belly drop, lift your gaze. Exhale and round, chin to chest. Inhale, moving back to cow. Exhale to cat. Nice. Now for extended child's pose. Knees are wide, big toes touching. Shift your hips back towards your heels. Arms are extended long over your head. And then start to walk it up, rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Your head is the last thing that comes up. And then come back to Sukhasana, sitting up nice and tall, hands on your knees, soft shoulders. Just reconnecting to your breath here. Bring your hands to your heart center. Big breath in through your nose. Open mouth, sigh it out. Namaste.